Hey there, fellow warriors in the battle against cockroaches. Welcome back to your Ajaguar's blog go-to hub for all things home improvement. It's always a pleasure to have you tuning back in for another informative and engaging session. We understand the urgency of today's topic and we're here, ready with practical solutions to help you conquer this issue. Now, if you've been with us for a while, you know we don't shy away from some of the more challenging topics. Today is no different. Today we're tackling a common yet remarkably resilient household nuisance: cockroaches. These small creatures, while seemingly harmless, can cause a host of problems, and we all know their presence can be quite unsettling. Cockroaches are a subject no one particularly enjoys discussing, but it's an important one nonetheless. They're a problem faced by millions of households across the globe, and hence, there's a real need for practical, easy-to-implement solutions. And that's exactly what I've got for you today. I've compiled a list of 7, yes you're right, 7 natural methods to help you say goodbye to these unwelcome guests, and fast. Now, you might be wondering why focus on natural methods? Well, the answer is simple. Natural methods are safe, cost-effective, and less harmful to the environment. Also, by using natural methods, you reduce your exposure to potentially harmful chemicals. It's a win-win situation, really. Before we jump into the solutions though, it's important to understand the issue we're tackling. Cockroaches just a nuisance because of their creepy crawly nature, or because they may be of a cleanliness issue in your home. There's a lot more to it than that. Their presence can pose real health risks to you and your loved ones, as they can carry and spread diseases. These insects have been linked to a range of health problems, from allergies and asthma to bacterial infections. And let's not forget, they can also contaminate your food and cooking surfaces. Additional health risks. Therefore, it's absolutely crucial that you take action when you spot them scurrying around. This is not a problem you can afford to ignore for too long. It requires your immediate attention. Remember, we're here to help, and together, we can win this battle against cockroaches. So, let's take a deep breath, roll up our sleeves, and get ready to dive in. This is going to be a practical, informative, hopefully fun session. Are you ready to take back control of your home? Great. Let's get started. Now let's quickly address the issue one more time. Cockroaches, while often associated with unclean environments, are not merely a cleanliness problem. As we mentioned earlier, they can pose significant health risks. So, it's crucial to take action when you spot them scurrying around. Our first line of defense is maintaining a clean living space. Cockroaches love food crumbs and spills. Regularly sweep, mop, and wipe down surfaces to eliminate their food sources. A clean home is a less attractive place for these pests. Cockroaches are expert contortionists, so it's essential to seal off their entry points. Check for cracks, gaps, and crevices in your walls, floors, and around windows. Use caulk or weather stripping to block these entryways and keep those critters out. Nature provides us with some fantastic cockroach repellents. Essential oils like peppermint, eucalyptus, and citronella are natural deterrents. Mix a few drops with water and spray it around areas where roaches frequent. Not only does it smell great, but it'll also send those pests packing. If you want to take a more direct approach, boric acid is a natural insecticide. Sprinkle it in areas where roaches are active. They'll carry it back to their nests, effectively wiping out entire colonies. Just be sure to keep it away from pets and children. Another powerful yet natural option is diatomaceous earth. This fine powder is harmless to humans and pets but deadly to roaches. Sprinkle it in areas where you've spotted these pests and it'll dehydrate and eliminate them. Here's a surprising one. Catnip. While your feline friend might love it, cockroaches hate it. Make a catnip tea by boiling catnip in water and spray it around your home. It's a natural and safe way to repel roaches. And there you have it. 7 natural methods to kick those cockroaches out of your home. Remember, consistency is key. Keep your home clean, seal off entry points, and try these natural remedies to create a roach-free environment. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with anyone dealing with the pesky roach problem. Let's unite against these critters and reclaim our homes.